In front of me is Samsung Tab S10 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Files by Google Developer. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit Continue. Use this switcher next to Allow Permission, and finally use those three lines at the top left corner to access Clean section. Now all you need to do is hit Clean next to Junk Files and confirm your choice by selecting Clear in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!